Good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning.
We're off on another adventure. As I mentioned in our last video, the weather's kind of tanking a little bit on us, so we decided to head south instead of our initial plans to head more north. And this morning, we're going back to Honeymoon Island State Park because I'm going to try to find some sand dollars, or at least one. So we're going to try to get there the second the park opens, and let's see if I can find the sand dollar.
The mission is clear. I'm not even stopping for any yellow lights.
We need to find me a sand dollar, or else. Oh!
I wasn't kidding. It was more of a pink.
Well,
That one's definitely red.
you can't win them all. Got some sun out right now, but a lot of dark clouds looming. I hope these people don't find a sand dollar before me.
Move along, little doggy.
Oh, it's 25 here. Oops, we're also speeding this morning.
Breaking all sorts of balls just to find a sand dollar.
We'll do anything to find a sand dollar. My moment is now. It's also time for the magic park pass.
I'm gonna do the whole effect like I did last time because that took way too long. I don't think anybody even cared.
Look. Look at all these people that might find sand dollars before me. What the what? They better stay away from my sand dollars. Alright. I'm off to find the sand dollars. See you later.
What a nut.
Golly, how is this even possible? There's all these people already out. Alright, wish me luck. Here goes. Well, does this count? I think that's about 90 cents. We're getting closer. Oh, check this out, you guys. I think this counts as my very first sand dollar. It's got some barnacles on it, so it's not perfect, but hey, I'll take this as a win. My first sand dollar. Woohoo! The challenge in finding shells right now is that these wavier areas, you'll see shells, but then a wave will crash and then you won't be able to see anything. So I know there's tons of shells right here, but I basically have to wait for like a moment where it's just calm enough to see. See, it'll clear just a little bit, and then you can see a bunch of stuff. Whew. And then a big wave comes, and then you can't see anything. Well, that's a good one. I'm such a lucky girl. Steve's cleaning the van while I'm out playing. Who hired a housekeeper?
I come cheap. All you gotta do is let me live in your van.
Done.
You ready for breakfast?
Sure am. You want to see my finds from the morning?
Find one?
Alright, well, first of all, let me just say, in the future, I probably need like a little sieve or something to reach down and dig stuff out because I reach in and grab things that I probably shouldn't grab. I actually picked up a shell and I didn't get it on camera because I immediately threw it. It had a crab in it, but the crazy thing is that crab was holding on to another crab with a shell. I don't know what they were doing, but anyway, I threw that in. Then there was another moment when I thought I had a sand dollar and it was like some soft, weird thing. But first I found some good shells. I need more shells like I need a hole in my head, but whenever I see fighting conchs that are decent, I've got to pick them up. So they can go to the highest bidder. There's another one. Then I think this is actually an alphabet shell or something. I forget, I'm gonna have to look, but there's this little guy. I don't find many of them. Then I picked up some of these pen shells that have the pretty colors. Alright, maybe I won't keep them, I don't know. See, look how pretty they are. More fighting conchs. It was a fighting conch kind of morning. Alright, that's all the fighting conchs. Then, check this out.
Whoa.
It's a whole Venus shell. I think that's what it is, a Venus shell. There's no critter in it though. Hey.
Whoa.
Unfortunately, this broke in the bag. This was connected here with a hole in the middle, so I would say it's about 90 cents worth. But
Cool.
Are you ready?
Uh-oh. Saving the best for last. Nice.
So, it's not the best. It's got these barnacles on it, but it's whole. It's my first whole sand dollar, so I'll take that as a victory.
Mission accomplished. Nicely done. I got you to the beach on time.
Yeah, you did. And now, I've put off some things to look for my sand dollar, so it's emergency time. It's time for the restroom for me. They have a nice little place to rinse your feet, and a pretty nice bathhouse here. And there's a view of our van. We're having some scrambled eggs with spinach, ham, and cheese this morning.
Now that's how you crack an egg.
My cousin taught me this.
You gotta do it the clunky Steve way.
Bam, 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 bam. Ready? That wasn't as good. I didn't hit it hard enough. But you're supposed to get less shells when you do it that way, too. Tony and Trudy gave us these adorable little salt and pepper shakers. Thanks, guys. They come in pretty handy. Look at that. How cute is that?
How is it?
Very good.
Not a bad view for breakfast, huh?
Not a bad situation, huh? The nice thing about a day like this at the beach is there's not many people around. The last time we were here, this whole parking lot was packed. Today it's almost empty. That also means there's less people on the beach and less people in the bathroom. So I just took advantage of that. I actually just shaved my legs and did what we call a little Amish bath. Got cleaned up, so that was nice. Now it's time to do some work.
Just using a little bit of this downtime to do a little bit of spring cleaning. Meanwhile, Audra's hard at work.
And with that, it's time to roll out of the park. Clouds are rolling in, the wind's kicking up, the temperature's dropping a little bit, and unfortunately we have to do more work. So it's time for the library.
Work, 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 even on a Saturday.
I give that library 5 vans for sure. That was a nice library. It's always nice when we find a nice, comfortable one with good Wi-Fi, nice bathrooms, a water refiller thing, and very comfortable chairs, I might add. So now, as you can see, it's rainy, So it's nice that we're not outside. We're cozy in the van now, but we're actually going to look and see if we can find a Moe's around here, because it was recently my birthday and I should have a free birthday burrito. Look, free birthday burrito. Moe's delivery. Dinner is served.
Having ourselves a feast. Audra, you should have a birthday every year.
I'll work on that. It'd be awesome if I could have a birthday every month, but then I'd probably get pretty old.
Hey, valued viewer. This is your good buddy Steve speaking. If you'd like to wish Audra a happy birthday, one of the best ways to do that is through Patreon. Just click on the link below and wish Audra a happy birthday through your crazy cash donation.